Tiger Manufacturing is a little bit unique in that it's a student-run business.
It's a hands-on actual manufacturing program that the students run where they get real-life, real-world experience, and they're responsible and accountable for quality and production and deadlines and everything that goes with that.
It's not only machining and making parts and that type of thing, but we do programming, we do engineering work, we do profit and loss.
What the students do on a daily basis isn't just the technical skills. They talk about how important soft skills are in the workplace, to have a positive attitude, to get along with others, to work hard, to show up. That's the soft skills that employers want almost more than anything else. And so to get this kind of exposure in high school is something that doesn't happen in a lot of high schools.
We are very fortunate here at Tiger Manufacturing that we have a number of CNC machines.
Computer numerical controlled equipment. As part of their business, they make parts for other manufacturers.
So our students are exposed to pretty much state-of-the-art technology.
It's amazing because for such a small school, it has such great equipment for the students to work in. Tiger Manufacturing is leveraged by the support of the community, by the business community, and by volunteers that they have, and it's just an incredible thing to see.
We are so blessed to have really, really great volunteers.
Roy has probably 20 or 30 volunteers that come in the classroom. Think about that. 20 or 30 other outside community members that come in and help teach the students with all of their own expertise and that one-on-one mentorship that takes place.
We all bring different skills and different experiences, and I think that makes our program unique.
I'm extremely thankful that our community is a proud supporter of Tiger Manufacturing.
You can't have a program like Tiger Tech without having a supportive school board and administration. It wouldn't go anywhere without that.
We enjoy doing the stuff we do.
With all the experience I have here, I feel like I just have been prepared really well for the future.
Thank you to Mr. Ward for all the help and all the hard work he put into this.
It's really about exposing kids to a variety of different activities or learning experiences so that they can have the skills that they need to find a career that they love as much as I love mine.